morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay, yes. So students, today we are going to study subject grammar. Okay? Yes. So now we are starting with the first chapter. What is that? See, what is the name of the chapter? It is orders and the requests, right? So here we have to make the imperative sentences. Yes? Now see what is on the page number 1 given it is. In the yellow box, see what is the definition given. Children, when you will learn the definitions, then only you will be clear with the chapter, okay? Yes. So, first of all, understand what is the given in the definitions, right? Yes. See what is the first line. In each of the sentences below, an order is being given to the another person. So, what is the meaning of order? Order means when a person or when anyone gives you some order, right? For example, when a teacher said to you that go and take the book from your friend, right? That is known as the order. Yes? And when we request someone that please do this thing or please give me a glass of water, right? So that is the request. So when you will do the order to the someone, at that time will not use the please. But when you are going to request to the someone, at that time, when you write the sentences, you have to start the sentence with the please. Okay, are you understanding what I am saying to you? Now see what is the next given. Put your hands above your head. Okay, so that is the order, right? What a teacher said you, what did the teacher say? Put your hands above your head. Okay, so that is an order. Yes, then next it is go to sleep. That is also order. Someone is saying to you that go to sleep, right? That is again an order. Again, what is next sentence? See, come here immediately. Again, that is what? Order or request? It is again order. Yes? Now see what is the next sentence. The sentence given below are the requests. We use please when we use request something to do something. Okay? Yes. Now see what is the first one. Sentence given to you. Put your hands above your head, please. So this is a request. Why? How can we know that the sentences are of a request? It is given please here. Okay. When we request someone, at that time we will use the word please. Okay. Understood? Again it is the sentence go to sleep please. So this is also a request. So did you know the difference between what is the request and what is the orders? Yes? Yes. Now see what is the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs from the box. Okay. So you have given here verbs. Okay. Different words are given in the brackets. So you have to read the sentences and you have to write the correct verb which match with the sentences. Clear up till this? See what is the first sentence given to you. Blanks the woman to board first. So dash the woman to board first. Yes. So choose. You have to choose from the blue brackets. The blue line which is given. That all are the brackets for your fill in the blanks. Okay. So in the first one, what you will write? Allow the woman to board first. Means the woman which is standing. Okay. So we have to allow that woman for the first one. Okay. So in the first sentence, you will put in the exercise A, first FIB would be allow. Okay. Your first letter should be always capital. Yes. Did you understand how you have to make? Yes. Now see what is the next exercise. Dash the pasta is plenty of salted water. So the pasta is plenty of salted water. So what we are going to use for the second one? Boil. Okay. We have to use the boil word here. So you know, okay, when you make some pasta in your home, at that time first of all we have to boil the pastas, right? So it is the sentence, boil the pasta in the plenty of salted waters. Yes. Next third number, dash the egg white still frothy. So what is this? It is beat, right? Beat the egg. Okay. So B-E-A-T. Understood? Now fourth one, see, dash the garbage in the dustbin. So what you have to do? Put the garbage. We have to put the garbage in the dustbins, right? We always throw the dirty things in the dustbins, right? Yes, so you have to put here, right here, put. Understand? Yes, now see what is the fifth number. Make green tea for me. Okay, so in the fifth one you will write make. Now next, add 2 tablespoons of butter in the soup. So what we have to do here in the sixth number you will write egg. A-double-D, okay. Next in the seventh sentence, what is given to you? Dash sunscreen on your face and neck. So in the seventh number, what you will write? You will write apply. A-double-P-L-Y, okay. So what is the sentence here? Apply the sunscreen on your face and the neck. Understood how you have to write the fill in the blanks? Yes. Now see eighth number, what is given? Fry eggs for everyone. Right here. What is given in the 8th number? Fry. Okay, so next what is given? Pass me the plate of fries. So dash it is given. Me the plate of fries. So what you have to write? Pass. Next in the last number, churn the cream to make the butter. You have shown here a picture how you have to churn the cream, right? And how you make the butter. Yes? Okay, now next exercise, what is given? See. Write any 5 orders that your parents often give to you. So this is your homework part. Exercise B you will do by yourself in your homework. This is, what is this? It is given that the orders which your parents give to you in daily routines. Okay, that you have to write by yourself. 5 sentences you will make. Okay. Yes. So we are moving further with the next exercise. See what is given. Rewrite the commands or orders after changing them into the request. So here you have given the sentences. Okay, तुम लोगों को जो sentence orders दिए हुए हैं, that you have to convert it into the request. Okay, जो orders वाले sentence है, that you have to convert it into the request. So how you will make the sentence? See, first what is given? Open the door. Right, so this is an order. So when you have to write in the request, so what you will make? See, you will write like this. Please open the door. Okay. This is a request. Why? How we can know this sentence is about the request? Because we have used here please. So when you request someone, you have to use the please word. See. The question given to you, we will write as it is. See, please open the door. And in the last, you will put full stop. Did you understand how you have to write? Yes. Now see, what is the second number? Lie down quietly. Again, it is an order. So what you will do? You will put here, please. Please. Then what is the question given? Lie down quietly. Okay. Understand how you will write? Yes. Now see what is the third sentence. Go and wash your hands. Yes. Again, this is an order that when you sit for the lunch. Okay. For example, when you sit for the lunch, your mother says that go and wash your hands. Right? We say like that. So this is, we have to change it into the request. So what we will use here? Please go and wash your hands. Understood? Now see what is the fourth number. Your first letter should be always capital, okay? Yes. Now see what is the next. Wipe your feet on the mat. So again what you will make here? Please wipe. Then what is the next? Please wipe your feet. Then after what is given? Feet on the mat. Okay. Clear? When you enter in the home when you came from the outside and you enter in the home, so we put a mat, right? Everyone put a mat in their home, right? At the door. So what did we do? Please wipe your feet on the mat. Clear? Now see what is the fifth number. Don't make a noise. So this is an order. Yes, don't make noise. So you have to write here, change it into the request. So again, please don't make a else. Understand? And in the last you have to put the full stop. Next, last number 3. Show me your identity card. Again order hai. So what you will write? Please show me your identity card. So clear with the C, exercise C? Yes. Now last exercise of your chapter. What is given to you? See. In that exercise, rewrite the request after changing them to the commands. So जो request sentences दिए हुए हैं, you have to change that sentences into the commands or orders. Okay. In the last exercise, what we have learned? We have learned that orders given, we have to change it into the request, and now requests are given, so we have to change it into the commands or orders, right? So first one, it is given, please give me the pen. Okay, so this is a request. Yes, you can know about, because this is the given here, please give me the pen. Right? So what you will write in the first sentence? You have to change it into order. So you will write, give me the pen. Did you understand what is the difference between these two sentences? This we have made in the request, right? And this we are going to make in the orders. That's why we have removed please from here. Give me the pen, right? Next sentence, please close the lid of the box. So what you will write? Close the lid of the box. Understood? Now see what is third number. Keep quiet please. Again it is request sentence, right? So what you will make? Order. So keep quiet, right? Clear? Now fourth number. Please close your notebooks. So what you will write? In the fourth number, just you will remove please and then you will write close your notebooks. Understood? Yes, the last two sentences, that also you have to do like this. See, what is fifth number? Come here, please. So you have to just remove the please. So what you will write in the fifth one? You will write come here. Clear? And the last sixth number, what is given? See, please do not move. So again it is a request. So what you have to change? Change it into an order. So do not move. Clear? So here we have completed our chapter number 1. Okay. So clear after this chapter. So how you will make the orders and the request. So completed with the lesson 1. Now in the next lecture we will meet with the next lecture. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.